Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm happy to share another party project from my birthday party series. This time it's a Spider-Man-themed party, which I helped organize together with my friend for her son. The party took place at a park and we wanted to keep everything simple, fun and colorful. As usual, I found a lot of great inspiration on Pinterest and added some of my own ideas too. So let's start it. First, I begin with the invitation. I created the design in Canva using Spider-Man colors and city skyline elements to match the theme. We sent the invitation to the guest both digitally and printed a few to hand out in person. You can design something similar yourself on Canva or find ready-made templates on Etsy. The second decor element I created was a cake topper. My favorite part. This is actually what I specialize in, and of course no birthday party is complete without a cake. For this Spider-Man themed topper, I found the perfect comic style font on Creative Fabrica. I think it works so well for this kind of superhero design. I will leave a link to this font in the description below the video. I added the number 5, the birthday boy's name, and a few Spider-Man characters to bring it all together. If you are curious about how I make cake toppers like this one, I have a full playlist on my channel with step-by-step tutorial you can follow. I also use my Cricut to design and cut the birthday banner. The bright, bold colors really matched the cake topper, and together they made such a fun statement for the party. Let's continue. For the wall decor, I was inspired by some ideas I found on Pinterest. Many of them use a city skyline as the backdrop, and I love this idea. I decided to create a photo wall at home where the birthday boy could find his gifts in the morning and take a few fun pictures with family. To make the backdrop, I bought black poster boards at Dollar Tree. I cut them into random building shapes to look like skyscrapers. Then I used yellow cardstock to create little windows and glue them on. It turned out so simple and it really added to the superhero vibe. To make the party even more fun, we decided to wear matched Spider-Man themed t-shirts. Our t-shirts we found out at Walmart. Now time to talk about goodie bags. Here you can see what we included. First, the Capri Sun juices with custom Spider-Man labels. I have separate video on my YouTube channel where I show how you can create your custom design and full guide what materials you will need. Look how cute they are. Birthday boy's mom makes custom cookies. I will share her account on Etsy. Maybe you want to order something for your party. And last one in the goodie bag, this custom birthday coloring paper with fun games and puzzles, plus small package of crayons. I made these activity sheets in Canva. If you want full tutorial, let me know in the comment. As a final touch, I designed and printed thank you stickers and attached them to the bags using a glue gun. I think it's turned out really cute. After all the prep, it's time for a big day. We celebrated birthday party at a local park, where we rented shelter and decorate the table with Spider-Man themed plates, cups and napkins. Also we created special station for temporary tattoo. It was a huge hit with the kids. We also had a special guest who led games and entertained the children with fun activities. There was a Spiderman piñata and a themed birthday cake to celebrate birthday boy. It was such a fun day, and seeing the kids so excited made all the planning worth it. I will leave the link and templates if you would like to recreate any of these ideas. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.